Let's see how this goes. Maybe we can just double coat it. No, the egg is starting to thaw out faster than it can be coated, so we're just gonna do that. We're going in. Probably gonna be terrible. There's gonna be an explosion. Let's see. You broke your fasting with a can of Coke only. Wow. Noodle. They reincarnate to have chef spouses spoiling them. Yeah, my spouse, Revenant, doesn't really eat anything that I don't, other than what I cook. He doesn't really cook. That's okay. Like sometimes he makes a dish that we call kibble, which is fried spam and eggs on white rice. And that's basically his only dish. Allegedly, he knows how to cook a few other things. All right, I will check in just a moment. Hey. Just getting these into the hot oil. Da 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 da. Ex-boyfriend cooked good. Okay. Cook to torture you, then you'll get up and cook to. If I have to cook a big portion for like a group, I will go out of my way to make sure I have just enough ingredients that I can have a little bit too. Even if it's, like I bought extra and brought it in. That way, because I run out of energy after a big cooking session. Don't get me wrong, I love a big cooking session. I just don't have those kind of brain cells. Ew. Where did the egg lump go? Let's see. Try to cook again. Cook vegan for girlfriend for a potluck. Tried to cook vegan and gluten free for a potluck. There you go. But they still didn't take any. Ah. Yeah, it can be a little tricky sometimes. I've gotten used to cooking for special requirements, so it's not so hard for me. Your arm, Charlotte. What were you making again? Oh, a kilo worth of fried rice. Yes. That'll do it. That'll do it. So yeah, this is the potatoes like this, they're delicious. I think I have a new favorite way to eat potatoes.